In this video, I'll show you how easy and fast it is to extract text from an image using the Python library EasyOCR. On the screen, we have the image we're working with. It's a thumbnail from another video of mine and has clearly written out text on it. When we perform the text read of the image, our output should read XL wings, automate Excel, merge and unmerge cells. Let's first import reader from EasyOCR. I won't need anything else from the library. Next, I'll bring over the only 2 lines I need. It's this simple. I start with creating the reader object. I specify that I want the reader to read English text by passing a single list item to the object. The list contains one string value containing the letters EN, denoting English. Next, I tell the reader object to read the text of an image. I pass the image name as the first argument. You can see it is here in the same directory as the workbook. I next set detail as 0. That tells EasyOCR to return only the recognized text strings, which is perfect when you want the minimal output and the minimal amount of code. Let's run this, and we will see a warning, but we can ignore it. It doesn't affect our small sample. Let's now print what we captured. Very nice, we have the text we expected. So it's very straightforward. Create your reader object, making sure you specify the language of the text. Then read the text of the image of interest. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.